Solve the following quadratic inequality and graph the solutions on a number line. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is we need to solve for x here. Now because it's in this format, we can actually just kind of algebraically solve for x. So let's get started here. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to actually set this inequality to an equal sign and move that 75 over. Okay, next we want to get to our x here, so let's get rid of this 3. Divide both sides by 3. Further peeling away, we need to get rid of that square sign, so we're going to square root both sides. All right. And now we can just basically solve for x. There's going to be two cases because this is either plus or minus 5. And so we're going to end up with x equal to 6 and x equals -4. Okay, so now we have our roots and we're basically going to be looking for the equality that satisfies this. So if we were to draw this on a graph, this would be our x-axis, and we'd have these roots, right? This is where the parabola intersects the x-axis, and this is at y is equal to 0. As we can see from this kind of parabolic equation here, we know that this is going to be a positive parabola. In other words, it's going to be in this shape, right? So we don't actually need to know where the vertex or anything is, even though we could find that. All we need to know is that it's going to be looking something like this. The reason that's important is because we want to figure out where this parabola is greater than 0. Okay? Well, if this is y equals 0, the parabola is going to be greater than 0 when it is greater than 6 and less than 4, or less than -4 rather. So if we want to draw this on a number line, well, that's all we have to say really. So let's draw our number line. And we've got 6 and -4. And the last distinction we need to make is that this is a less than, or this is a greater than sign, not a greater than or equal to sign, which means we're going to use the hollow circle. So now we just draw our lines showing that the graph is greater than 0 when it is greater than 6 or less than -4. Okay? We can also write down the domain, which, like I say, x less than -4, x greater than 6. So that's all for this one. I hope that helps. Thank you. Bye.